In this lesson, I will explain to you how to use the autocorrect dialog box, how to use the autocorrect features in MS Word or Microsoft Word. Autocorrect features automatically correct common errors as you type. Use the options in the autocorrect tab of the autocorrect dialog box to set up automatic correction of capitalization errors and commonly misspelled words. You can also create special characters, abbreviations, codes, and so on. So, what does it mean? It means that sometimes when we write a document, sometimes we do spelling mistakes, commonly mistakes. So, we have to set in the system in MS Word. If we do the same mistakes again and again, the system will automatically correct the words. Not only the words, you can also set the special characters, abbreviation, codes, and so on. So I will show you here the example. Suppose if I want to write down this is very common. By mistake, suppose I have pressed two capital and one small letter. As soon as I will hit the space bar, the system will convert into correct T and then small h small e. Why? Because it is already set in the autocorrect feature. I will show you how to set it one more time. Suppose I want to write down academy and the spelling of academy by mistake. Suppose I forget to write down e here. As soon as I will click on the space bar, nothing will happen. System will not correct automatically and the red wavy line will come up under this word. It means this is the flag word. Your spelling or something is wrong. One way is you have to bring your insertion point here, right click, and you will see the correct spelling. But we are not going to apply this operation here. We are learning how the system will automatically correct this spelling. You have to set it. I will show you. For this purpose, you have to click on the file tab. This is the file tab, and then this is called the backstage view. In the backstage view, here you can say or see on the left hand side, the last one is the options. Click on options and then proofing, and from proofing autocorrect option, click on the autocorrect option, and it should be check mark replace text. So here I can write down acadmy, the wrong spelling, and I said replace with correct spelling. Whenever I will write down this wrong spelling in my document, the system will now automatically convert to a correct spelling, and then you have to press add as well. Okay and okay. So I will show you acadmy, right, and enter. Here system automatically corrects the spelling. I do not have to right click and correct the spelling. So this is called the autocorrect feature. Similarly, not only words I told you, abbreviation, codes, and other things you can set in the system. ASAP means as soon as possible. When I will click the space bar, see only it makes a capital, nothing will happen. So if you say whenever you will write down ASAP, the system will automatically convert it to as soon as possible. So you have to go on the file tab and then options. From options, proofing. From proofing on the right hand pane, autocorrect options, and here you can write down ASAP, and here as soon as possible, and add. Do not forget to click on this add, okay and okay. So now see ASAP. Whenever you will write down ASAP and press the space bar, the system automatically convert as soon as possible. This is called the autocorrect feature. So see, this is the academy, and you can see here the blue. This is the autocorrect option box. Open this. Here are three different options. Change back to the previous example ACADMY. If I will click here, it will go back. Open it. Stop correcting error, or the control autocorrect feature. You can also go from here as well. Autocorrect feature. This is the direct way. One way is go from the file and then options, proofing, and then autocorrect feature. Similarly, come here. Here you will see the blue rectangle box here as soon, and then it will open. Suppose if you want to remove this feature, so ASAP ASAP, or you can see it will come on the top. Click here, delete and delete. Now we have deleted this feature ASAP. Now you can try, you cannot write down. Similarly, I will show you some more features from here, but you can go from there as well. Features and then proofing, and this is the autocorrect feature. So see here, by default this is check mark is here. If you want, you can remove this check mark. First check mark is correct two initials capital, just like I gave you the example of the. If you will write down TH capital, the system will automatically convert to correct, too small. And then capitalize first letter of the sentence, capitalize names of the days, all are check marked by default, so these are okay. If you will do these kind of mistakes, system will automatically correct it. I will show you one more time here. Suppose if I want to write down feature FE, by mistake I have mentioned two capital and then all small. When I will hit the space bar, system will change it because it is check mark there. So in this lesson, you have learned autocorrect dialog box and autocorrect features. If you have any question, write down in comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.